Hey, future scientists! Welcome back to Learn with Mike, where science is fun, easy, and all around you. Nice catch, though. That statement is only partially true. Science isn't just around you, it's also inside you. Every time you walk, talk, breathe, laugh, or even blink, that's science in action. And today, we're going deep inside your body to explore something that gives you shape, strength, and even lets you dance. Yep, we're talking about your bones. So, quick question. How many bones do you think are in your body? 200? 300? A million? Okay, maybe not that many. An adult human has about 206 bones. But here's a fun fact. When you were a baby, you actually had around 270 bones. Wait, what? Yep. As you grow, some of those bones fuse together, kind of like puzzle pieces, joining up to make a stronger bones. That's why babies can bend in all sorts of weird ways without getting hurt. But we adults? Yeah, not so much. From that, we come to the big question. What are bones actually made of? You might think bones are just hard, white sticks, right? But there's so much more to them. Here's the mind-blowing part. Your bones are alive. Yep, you heard that right. They're not just sitting there like stone pillars. Inside, there's an entire team of tiny superheroes working nonstop to keep you strong, growing, and moving every single day. Let's break it down, team style. First up, collagen. It makes up about 30% of your bones. Think of it as the flexible, rubbery part that keeps your bones from snapping like dry spaghetti. Kind of like the bendy rubber inside a pencil eraser. They are soft, but super helpful. Next, mineral salts. Mostly calcium phosphate. This part's around 60% of your bones and gives them that solid, rock-like strength. Without it, you'd be more like a floppy jellyfish trying to stand up. And of course, water. About 10% of your bones are good old H2O. It keeps everything hydrated and nicely structured. But wait, the real action happens with the bone cells. Inside your bones, there are workers doing different jobs every single day. The osteoblasts, they are the builders. They make new bones. The osteocytes, they are the maintainers. They keep your bones healthy and stable. And finally, we have osteoclasts. They are the recyclers. They break down old bones to make space for new, fresh bones. Pretty cool, right? Your skeleton is like a construction site that never sleeps. Even while you're watching this video, your bones are busy building, fixing, and upgrading themselves. Okay, now imagine this. Your bones aren't all the same shape or size. Nope. They come in all kinds of designs, each one built for a special job. It's kind of like having a toolbox inside your body. Every tool made for something different. All right, let's meet the team. First up, drum roll, please. The long bones. These are the tall ones, longer than they are wide, like your arms and legs. They're the real MVP of movement. They help you walk, run, jump, and even dance. Here are some examples. These are your femur, tibia, and humerus. Basically, your body's built-in support beams. Next up are the short bones. They are small, sturdy, and kinda cube-shaped. These guys hang out in your wrists and ankles. They're the ones keeping you balanced when you move, turn, or twist. Think of them like the stabilizers of your body. Here are some examples. Carpals and tarsals. Now, the flat bones. These are thin, smooth, and super protective. These are like the shields of your skeleton. They guard your most important organs and give your muscles a strong place to attach. Here are some examples. Skulls, ribs, sternum, and scapula. And then we've got the irregular bones. The oddballs of the bunch. They don't fit into any regular shape category, but wow, are they important? They protect the delicate stuff, like your spinal cord, and helps give your body structure. Here are some examples. The vertebrae, these are the individual bones of the spine that form the spinal column. They are stacked on top of each other with discs in between and create a canal for the spinal cord. These have weird shapes, but amazing jobs. Oh, and before we wrap up, special shout out to our guest star, the sesamoid bones. They're small, round bones that form inside tendons, like your patella. That's your kneecap. They act like tiny gears that help your muscles move smoothly and powerfully. Pretty smart, right? Nature really knows its engineering. And all right, bone buddies. Now that we know the different types of bones, let's take a peek inside one. Because believe it or not, bones aren't solid all the way through. They actually have layers, kind of like a crunchy chocolate bar. Yes, science can be delicious. This picture shows the inside of a bone. See that tough outer layer? That's called the compact bone. It's the hard, dense shell that gives your bones the strength to support your body and handle heavy things like lifting weights or jumping. Think of it as the armor of your skeleton. Smooth, strong, and built to protect. Now, let's take a closer look inside. The inner part of your bone is called spongy bone, also known as cancellous bone. Don't let the name fool you. It's not soft like the sponge you use to wash dishes. Instead, it's filled with tiny spaces, kind of like a honeycomb. These spaces make your bones lighter, so you're not walking around like a clunky robot, and help absorb impact when you move or fall. And here's something really cool. This is where your bone marrow lives. That's the incredible factory inside your bones that produces your blood cells. So, to sum it up, compact bone gives your body strength and structure. Spongy bone keeps things light and helps absorb shocks. Together, they make your skeleton the perfect mix of strong and flexible, just like a superhero's suit. Now, finally, let's wrap things up with some fascinating facts about your bones. These will definitely leave you amazed. First up, the smallest bones in your body are inside your ears, and they're even smaller than a grain of rice. Hard to believe, right? Next, the strongest bone in your body is the femur, or thigh bone. It's so powerful it can handle hundreds of pounds of pressure without breaking a sweat. And here's the part that surprises almost everyone. Your bones aren't just stiff supports. They actually make blood cells inside their marrow. That means your skeleton isn't just holding you up. It's keeping you alive. So remember, skeletons aren't just Halloween decorations. They're your built-in support system, protecting your organs, helping you move, and producing the very blood that flows through you. All 206 bones in your body work together like one incredible living machine. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Learn with Mike. If you had fun exploring your bones, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another curious mind. And as always, stay curious because science is not just around you, it's inside you too.